Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the status of your lost or stolen Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite on IMEI.info page. Okay, so first we need to type the IMEI number of our Samsung. Of course, if your device is lost or stolen, you won't be able to check the IMEI number using your device, but you can always find your phone packaging, and on it there should be it should be written the IMEI number. So once you have typed it, click on check IMEI. As you can see, our Galaxy Tab S10 appeared. Now we need to simply scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so don't worry, you don't need to pay for anything. Now select the last option, Lost Device Check. Okay, also, if you have that possibility, you can type the second IMEI number and the serial number. I highly recommend that. And now check lost/stolen status, click on that, and you can see that this device is actually reported in IMEI.info lost or stolen database. So you can contact with the page or with the person who has found it. Here you have all of the informations. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.